Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to chat with Wix support. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute. So first of all, open a browser and search here wix.com/contact. And from this list, select a topic. I'm going to selecting your domains. And now click on contact support. And click on start a live chat. And here you can see agent has been joined to this conversation. And this is how we can easily contact with Wix support. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.